In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Wrike, which is a powerful AI-powered enterprise work management software. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step so you can get set up and start utilizing Wrike's capabilities quickly and efficiently. First, open up your web browser and go to the Wrike homepage. This is where your journey begins as you explore the robust tools Wrike offers to streamline your work processes. As soon as the website loads, look for the Try Wrike for Free button. It's typically found prominently on the homepage, beckoning new users to dive into a complimentary experience with Wrike's features. Now, after clicking on the Try Wrike for Free button, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. Typically, this includes your work email or another preferred email address. Make sure you type carefully, as this email will be crucial for accessing your account and for all future communications with Wrike. Once you've entered your email, proceed by clicking any highlighted button or link to continue. If you encounter a highlighted field, be sure to complete it with the required information. This step ensures your registration goes smoothly. Often, the next prompt may ask for additional information such as your name or potentially some company details, depending on the account type you're interested in. Again, make sure you fill in these fields accurately. You'll then be presented with another Try Wrike for Free button after entering your information. Click on it to move forward. Following this, there might be another highlighted field, perhaps another request for more specific details about your work environment or team. Rest assured, providing this data helps tailor your Wrike experience, making it more beneficial and relevant to your needs. After entering all necessary information and following the highlighted prompts, you should find a Create Your Account button. Click on this and you're almost there. A few more clicks on the next button will lead you through the initial setup pages. These pages may offer some insights or options customizing your Wrike user experience. It's often best to click through these, but feel free to read any explanations if you're curious or need clarity on a particular function or feature being highlighted. Approaching the end of the setup phase, you might see a choice between different user experience levels such as beginner. This option allows Wrike to tailor its functionalities according to your proficiency level, assisting you with a more intuitive and user-friendly interface. Finally, with a few more clicks on the next buttons through the introductory setups and explanations, you'll reach the completion of your account creation. Congratulations! You're now set to explore all the features Wrike offers. Enjoy managing your projects more effectively with this robust software tool.